the side helper arm on the machine. Pardon the background noise. I'm using the air control for the pneumatic cylinder. Now, look, Ed's going to guide it in. We're not going to put his finger in the way. We're just going to pump it up just enough so the whole line's up right there. I use the up button. Now the whole line's up. Ed's going to put the bolt in.
Just a tiny bit up.
Right, just a tiny bit more up. Right there. Down. There you go. So when using the thumb control lever gently and listening to the person helping you, or even doing it yourself, you can lean in there and look at it. Installing this particular bolt allows the cylinder actuator to work up and down. This actually runs your air pneumatic helper arm, excuse me.